Hey guys, welcome back to Home Fitness Solution. I'm Betton, and today we're on day 3 of our beginner-friendly workout to help you get those six-pack abs right at home. How's everyone doing? If you don't know what this is about, then check the link above, and it'll explain everything. But before we dive in, we're going to do a little warm-up before we get going. So a few jumping jacks just to help prevent any muscle injury. Okay. Next up, we're going to do some squats, so legs shoulder width apart, feet pointing outward, and just imagine sitting into your favorite chair. Do a few of these. Okay. Now we're going to do a few arm circles. So spread your arms up in the air and swing them around and backward. And loosen up the shoulders and the chest area. Side to side twist, so switch from one side to the other side, hold for a sec, and then go to the other side. This will have loosened the hips. And a couple of chest open, so you hold your elbow on one bring it across the chest, feel the stretch in the chest, and then do the same in the opposite way. Wrist a little bit, give your hands a little shake, get yourself prepared. A few neck rolls, whatever you think is just a warm up. And finally we're going to touch our toes, so bring your arms up to the ceiling, come back out and reach for the floor and touch your toes or near the floor as you can. Feel an overall stretch in your back all the way down the legs. And hold it for a second or two. Okay guys, I think we're ready, so let's see inside. Let's just get ready and we'll start our workout. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I think we're ready to start our workout. First up on our list is our crunches. We've done this before, so lie on your back with your knees bent When your feet on the floor, place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off slightly off the ground, engaging your core. Now always remember to breathe out as you crunch up and in as you lower down. Let's aim for about 10 of these. Alright, just give ourselves a second or two just to catch our breath and we'll get into exercise 2. Our next on the list is the plank. So we're going to get into a push-up position like before and keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and hold it for as long as you can. Alright guys, well done. Now next on our list we're going to do our bicycle crunches. So we're going to lie on our back and just get into a bicycle motion. Bringing one knee towards the chest and then alternating between both legs. Imagine you're cycling that imaginary bike. Well done guys. Next up we're going to do is the Russian twists. So you've done this before, so basically sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet lifted off the floor and lean back slightly and twist the torso to touch the floor beside you, alternating the size. Use a weight like what I'm doing now to add stability and also increase the intensity. Aim for about 10 to 15 of these. Well done guys. Take a breather and we'll get into the next exercise. Next up we're going to do as our mountain climber. So get into a high plank position and mimic a running motion. Bring one leg to the chest and alternate between both legs. Try to run as fast as you can. Good stuff. Now next up we're going to do is our leg raises. So So lie flat on your back and bring one leg up comfy off the ground and then alternate between legs, keeping them straight or bend the knee slightly if they are paying your back, and just try to keep your core engaged as you're doing this. Okay, well done guys. And finally on our last exercise we will do is our leg flutters. So I'm going to lie back down on the floor. We want to keep our legs straight and then just lift them up slightly off the ground and do a fluttering motion, alternating between legs. Alright guys, well done. Great job, you did it. How did you all get to? And we're just going to do a little cool down action to prevent any muscle soreness or tension. So first off, let's do a few arm circles. And gentle movements. And after that then we'll do our usual side to side stretch. You've done these side stretches before. Just ease into it. One leg straight and then the other leg. And you just bend it and just feel the overall stretch all the way down the straight leg and then alternate the next. Good stuff. Now we're going to do a few chest opens. Grab one arm with the other hand, the elbow, and gently bring it across the chest. Hold for a second or two and then alternate to the other arm. This will help relieve tension in the shoulder. Now we're just going to do a few yoga stretches. With your feet together and with your elbows push your knees outward towards the ground. As far as you can go. Now over stretch. Hold for a second or two. Guys, well done. That's our workout and a cool down done. My name is Dak and this is Home Fitness Fusion. Please like and subscribe to my channel and we will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Thank you. See you.